Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add music to snaps and snap stories. If you're using Snapchat and you want to add music to snaps or snap stories, let's see how can I do this. You just have to open your Snapchat app and here just tap on this music icon in the top right corner, just tap on it. From here, you can really search for any music if you want, or you must have to scroll to browse new music. Once you have selected any music, you must have to press and hold on this to record a video. While you have recorded a video, your music will playing in background. Once you have done, you can easily edit it if you want. If you want to move this music icon, you can move it just like that. Once you have, just tap on this send to option or tap on save option to save the video. And here just tap on this send to option or the stories option. I'm going to send it on the story. Just tap on the stories option and then tap on add. It will add your snap to your story. So that's how you can easily add music to snaps and snap stories. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye.